Here's a solution for day one, problem one. Question A, rewrite this number into standard form. So we need to take this number here, 1.225, and multiply it by 10 7 times. Fast way to do that is to take the decimal point, and every time you multiply by 10, move to the right one position, creating 12 and then creating 122 and so on. So if this is 10 to the 7th power, let's move the decimal point 7 spots to the right. That will create 1, and then 2, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can come in from the right side every 3 spots and put commas in. So 12,250,000. Now question B, rewrite this number into scientific notation. This is 10,000 and it has a decimal point at the right end right now. Numbers that are in scientific notation always have only one digit to the left of the decimal point. We need to put the decimal point here. So that's going to require moving the dot 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. That will create 1 and then times 10 to the 4th power. Day one, problem 2. Solve this equation and then check the answer. Okay, this equation has the variable a on both sides of the equation. So let's remove that from the right side. Subtract 4a and subtract 4a. Negative 2a subtract 4a creates negative 6a. Since we're putting the a on the left side of the equation, let's put the constants to the right of the equation. This positive 5 can be removed by subtracting 5. And over on this side, subtract 5. 6 subtract 5 is 1. So we have negative 6a is equal to 1. We can get the a alone by dividing by its coefficient. Divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. So a is equal to the fraction negative 1/6. Now part B, let's check whether that works. So in the original equation, we think that a is negative 1/6. Substitute that in. And the same on the right side of the equation. We think that a is negative 1/6. For negative 1/6 to be correct, when we substitute it into these places, the value of this expression must turn out to be the value of this expression. So negative 2 times negative 1/6 makes positive 2/6 plus 5. Over here to the right, 4 times negative 1/6 makes negative 4/6, and then plus 6. So 2/6 plus 5 is 5 and 2/6. Right here we have negative 4/6 plus 6. So the whole number 6, subtract 4/6. That is going to make 5 and, sorry, what over here, this is a 2/6, not 2/3. This is going to make 5 and 2/6. These are equal. So when this number is put in for a, it does make the sides of the equations equal. This checks out.